Hi everyone, welcome to BrownWhitePages. Today I want to teach you how to do blog commenting. How do you do blog commenting? First of all, you need Google search engine. Basically, I want to comment. What do you want to comment about? You need to be sure of that first. I want to comment from this for this website. Basically, I don't have a sample. Um, Basically, I want to comment for this website. This website is all about what trick, trick tips, trick tips and hacks. Is what the website all about. So if I will comment for this website, blog comment for this website, then I will be commenting on what trick tips and ask content, trick tips and ask content, or content, tips content, trick tips, or do it yourself DIY content. So how do you do this? Basically, you need Google. If you want to, let's say you want a delivery service, you can do like list of delivery service company. Then you go to blog content. You check all the articles. You go for all the articles. This is an article. Let's open this. So I'll show you. Or this is an article. You open them on a new tab. Open them on a new tab. Once you open them on a new tab, this content is all about delivery company, and I want to what do a blog commenting for do blog commenting for delivery company. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the post to look for where I can comment. There should be a box for comment. There's no box for comment here, then you leave. Let's check the next. This is a listing. This business directories website. This is a blog. Let's check. You only go for blog content. Let's check. Yes, so scroll down to the content to find where you can comment. You can comment here. You can comment here. Let's check. This is what you want to do. You want to be able to comment. So your website link will be here. This is backlinking. You are backlinking to your website. This website domain authority, let's check the domain authority. You should do this with for websites with high domain authority than yours. So let's check. This website domain authority is 21, the page authority is 27. This is good. So if you are backlinking to it, if you are backlinking from it to your website, is good. This is what you want to do. So if I would comment on this post, this is how I will do it. I'll copy the title. If I would do it, I'll copy the title. I will go back to my notepad and I'll do like this. I'll write. You make sure that the whatever you want to comment on the blog is not is not, it does not have business with spamming. Please make sure it makes sense. Make sure it is genuine. Then I will say I like your content or your post on 13 best delivery companies in Nigeria. Um, I wish, I wish, I wish you can just copy your own link. Was part of the list. You copy, you come here, you paste here. You put your name. Make sure it is your personal name, not your business name. Your personal email, not your business email. Then do away with this. Then post. Once they approve, it will be like this. So let us do this on. You can do this on so many blog content. Then if you want to change this, let's say you don't have time to continue typing and typing and typing, you want to use the same words. Let's say the same words, but it's not doesn't make sense if you use the same word. But you want to use the same words, take away the title. What you do, you can always go, let's do something. You can go to let's go here. You can go to Quillbot, Quillbot. This is it. So you can come to Quillbot to paraphrase. Let's say you want to continue using the same, you don't want to continue typing. You can come to Quillbot and come to Quillbot and come to Quillbot. You paste it here. Make sure you take note of the title. You don't want this to leave. Then you paraphrase. Then you can see this. This makes more sense. I enjoy reading your article about, and then you put the title here, or which include, which no, this is not correct. So you can use this to create something. Let's create something with this. Okay, I wish. Okay, let's take it back. The mistake is for me. My bad. Typographical error. Typo. I appreciate your list of these diseases for this. However, this should have been included. So you can. So this is another comment. That is if you want to do for so many websites, then you pick the title. This is the title. You place this with the title. Make sure the typo is there for 13 best. So let's say you need another one you can paraphrase. You can always paraphrase, click paraphrase, change the title, then drag to get more if you like. You come to fluency, so you can paraphrase as much with just one comment. So that is how. So let me just show you here. For this, I can simply go post comment, and I can go. I like your post on like your post on so this is it. This is the this is the post. This is for blogger. You copy. Uh, then you what? I'm not a robot. Then you post. Let us preview. This is the preview. So the link you have to click to publish. This is it. It will be clickable. So this is how you could do blog commenting. So thank you for watching. No, once you're done, we're not done. Once you're done, please, I want to show you how you fill this page, how you fill this sheet. We're not done. Please subscribe to my to Brown White Pages YouTube channel, and let's continue. This is how you do. So the name of the website, the time I published was 2:30 1 p.m. The content topic is this. So you copy it from the title of the website, which is this. The title. This is the title of the content. Content URL, that is blog URL. Blog URL. You copy it here. Platform. This is the platform is the name of the website. Uh, the platform is the name of the website. Let's check name of the website. Brown White Pages. Then the page and the domain authority and page authority. Is this? You check the page and domain authority. You click here. The most bar. This is known as most bar. Page authority is 12. Domain authority is 2. So you can see domain authority 2, page authority 12. Then the comment you published here. This is the comment. This is how you do this for your client. Then there's one part. Let me do something for this. And I'll put something like approve, comment. And let us do it with this. If you intend to do 10 block commenting, I advise you to do 15 because some might not be approved. I intend to do 10. That's why I put 17. Some might not be approved. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to Brown White Pages YouTube channel for more videos on digital marketing, phone, phones, and laptop trick tips and hacks. Thank you for watching. Bye.